Hi, for those who don't know me, my name is Shai. I'm a radio DJ, and then when I'm... Hi, my name is Shai, and for those who don't know me, I am a radio jock, and when I'm not talking on the air, I am talking and blabbing here online. And today, on my attempt to not burn the kitchen, I am going to show you how to level up your favorite spicy noodles. Well, actually, technically, it's leveling down because I plan to put cheese and milk, and you know what cheese and milk and... Hi, Kat. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, I'm going to level down, but kind of leveling up the flavor of your spicy noodles. She wants my attention. Buti pa siya. Anyway, let's do this. Get your pan, your skillet, whatever you want to call it. Doesn't have to be your favorite color, just make sure it's non-stick. Light up the stove, then add butter because butter is better. Let that butter melt, and then you realize, ang lakas pala ng apoy ko. So you try to lower it down, but since I'm stupid, I killed it. Then I light it back up, but for some reason, it's still the same strong flame. Magic! Maliit na siya. Alright, now we keep melting that butter, and then we add some milk. And of course, there are no exact measurements here. It's just you putting in some more until your ancestors tell you to stop. But we're still gonna add some more. Splash. There we go. Now we add the cheese. Ooh, I love cheese so much. Now we let that cheese melt until they all emulsify, you know, meld together. What's the term for that? And oh my goodness, why are you using a fork, girl? My gosh, use a wooden spoon. But anyway, it's now time to add the spicy sauce of Satan that came with the package. Squeeze that all out for all the spicy goodness. There we go. And then we just, you know, mix it all together until they become that fiery orange color. You know what I mean? Anyway, keep mixing, and how I wish I used a wooden spoon for this. But anyway, now I thought of adding a little bit of extra thing. It's this soybean paste that usually you see in your Korean barbecue. Yeah, just for a little bit of flavor. There we go. I added that up and also mixed them together. And you know you have the best of both worlds. Alright, now here's how it's supposed to look. Yummy, spicy, cheesy goodness. That will burn you from the inside. Alright, now we pour that in. Next, my top view. Ayan, pour that all in. Make sure you have every bit of the goodness that you worked hard for, and you wouldn't be having a problem, Shai, if you used a wooden spoon. Sheesh. But then again, I think a spatula would work, so yeah, let me just get one. And here we go. Scrape it all out. Scrape, scrape, scrape. Bloop. And since that's already cleaned up, we put the pan and the other utensils to the side and forget about it until the next day. Sorry, Mom. Now here it is. A yummy recipe for a disaster down south, if you know what I mean. Ooh, 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 don't you just love this sound? ASMR. Cheesy goodness. Anyway, there is still a spicy packet that goes along with this, but I'm not so sure if I want to put it. No, wag na lang. I think it's too much already. So here it is, and of course I'm going to pour myself a cup of milk because I am not a sadist. I am not that stupid. And yeah, here we go. Time to test it out. And here we are, about to basically torture ourselves. But ang sarap eh, you know. I don't know why food has to be painful, but it's yummy sometimes when it is. Pero diba sometimes, like, masarap yung masakit. At kung ano maiisip mo, wala na ako dyan. Anyway, let's eat! Burns! It's not temperature hot, it's burning your esophagus and your stomach lining kind of hot. Ha! But it's so yummy. It's the kind of cheesy, oozy goodness that you'll love with your spicy noodles. So, try it out if you want. Or not. Sino ba naman ako para pagsabihan ka, diba? To tell you what to do. Sarap. So yeah, I'll finish this. And hopefully, I'll see you guys again next time. If I'm not rushed to the ER. Bye! Not corona. Bye. You know, she's not normally this sweet to me, but she's so sweet now, and she's gone. Bye. Or not, she's here. Hi, girl. I love you. Meow meow.